Rex is going to demonstrate how to turn twine into rope. Rex, why don't you speak up and tell us what you're about ready to do?
Well, I'm about ready to make rope with twine. I can still hear, if I listen real close, I can still hear my dad say, "Boys, leave that twine alone." We used to use his twine to make rope all the time.
Show me what you've got down here in the box.
A ball of twine.
You want to hold that? You want to pull that up for us? And you're going to do what with this?
We'll make a rope out of it.
How are you going to do it?
Well, we got a machine over there that Andy Humphrey's going to turn, and we'll twist it up and make a rope.
Did you invent this machine, or why don't you tell us about this machine?
I didn't invent it. I've been probably 70 years ago. I was making rope with it. My dad had it, and after he passed away, why, I got it.
So this is the same machine that you made rope from twine on 70 years ago?
That's right, sir.
Why don't we walk over there first before we hook this up and show us what it looks like?
All right. You thread the twine around these, back around to this wrench like this. And then we have a guy turn this, and that twists the twine together. And after it gets so tight, then I start twisting back here and put all three of those together.
And you've got this now locked into a vise.
Yep. We used to put it over a gate in the barn or in the driveway or something at home, but on the farm. But I bent this board and put it on this here so we can hold it steady.
Okay, so you've anchored that. You've actually bolted that to a board.
No, I just got
the board into the vise.
Yep.
So there's really two pieces of equipment to this. You've got the piece that's there in the vise, and this piece you're holding in your hand. Okay. Okay. Oh, I can see that better now, Andy. Thank you.
1901. November 12th.
Just a little older.
Wow, hold on. I'm going to get in close to that. What's that say on it?
Patent November 12th, 1901.
November 12th, 1901 is the patent on this machine. Do you know the name of this, Rex? What it's called?
Oh, I don't. There's no name on it, is there?
No name.
No, I don't know what the name of it is.
Okay, well, why don't we start out by showing us how you're going to hook this up now and go from there.
Okay. Okay, take it up there and go around. Which one? One on that side.
Okay, so they've got Rex is back here holding this piece. Let me see what your guys are doing here now. You're taking that and you put that through that side right there. Okay, so you're threading it back and forth. So you got three different strands going on this end. How many strands will you ultimately wind up with coming across here?
See. 6.
You'll wind up with 6?
Yeah.
So you got...
Oh, 9. It'll be 9. Oh, yeah. No, it'll be 6. 4.
6.
8, 2, 4. All right, now tie this, Don. Tie these two together.
So now you're going to tie these two together at this end.
No, you don't have to underneath there. Just tie these two together. Around here. There you go. Make one more knot.
Tight enough?
Yeah. Oop. No, it ain't. Didn't stay tight.
Got to get it tight. We lost the knot. We got to Got to tighten her up.
Where'd the other go?
Okay, so now we've got her tied off here at this end. Let me again show we've got a total of 8 strands out there. And we're coming down to this end and we've got it through the machine. Andy's going to start turning and you can see that the ropes start going together, which is twisting these together. And they're getting tighter and tighter all the time. You can see how tight that's now getting. Rex just keeps holding back on this.
Hold it, Andy.
What are you doing now?
Twisting.
You're making rope.
Making rope. I'm unwinding what he wound up, so he has to keep winding every so often.
Let us see what you're doing. What you've done. Look at that. So you just pulled this section back out and just started twisting.
Start twisting. And you can't twist it until this is tight. It won't twist.
Gotcha. And you're just going to start walking right into the other end.
Yeah. Keep going, Andy.
So ladies and gentlemen, what's happened here is in a span of about 4 or 5 minutes, we're making some really strong rope. And Rex just keeps walking back to the main machine.
I didn't do that. Good.
Look at that rope. We've already got about 2.5 feet of rope here right now. Okay, we're back in. We're getting back right up to the spool now, to the end of the rope.
Get wire. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, let's look at that. Going to take a piece of wire now and
another
just
pair of pliers down
cut
here.
her off.
Twist it if you want to.
At the end, so it won't
That's all right.
unravel with some wire snips.
Get the other pliers and twist her. Yeah, I think it is. Fire the torch at. Oh.
Look at that rope.
You can stretch it a little bit. Set her on fire. Burn his hands on there.
Now they're going to light her on fire just to cut the fuzz off of it.
Yeah, go back and get something to prove it. You got the knife on? Yep. Just like me.
Get your thumb out of
cut the thumb, won't cut anything else. Go ahead.
He's taping it off with a little electrical tape, so it's not going to go anywhere, and that end's not going to unravel. He's got this end already tied off, which is the end he started with, down on the other end, and you've turned around and made about 10 feet worth of rope.
We used them for calves, for horse halter ropes, or dogs, whatever we had. Even tied us, each kid's up once in a while with them.
There we go. So that's rope 101 from Des Moines, Iowa, with Rex making history. Thanks to you all.